Okay, this video is going to be on a tutorial of Camtasia, as well as just a little information about what it is to be a Morgan State University engineer. And basically with Camtasia, it allows you to edit videos, sounds, and things of that matter, those kind of media. And to be able to do that, you have to import it first. And you can go to import media directly right here, or you can go to file, import media. And we're going to go to my little clip of the engineering building I have here, and we're going to open that up. And in order to get that into the track to actually edit, we just hold it down and we drag it into a track, and now it can actually be edited. And let's play that while I'm talking a little bit about Camtasia. Basically, you can do so many things with Camtasia. Since I'm actually recording the screen, which is right here, this allows you to record the screen. And right now that's what I'm doing, so I can't voice narrate over it because I'm talking separately from voice narration. But as you can hear, you can probably hear my video a little bit in the background. In order to turn that down to hear me better, we'll just pause this and we'll go to audio options. In the audio options, we have volume down, volume up, fade in, fade out, and silence. We can silence it and take out the audio completely in this clip right here. But instead of doing that, we're just gonna turn the volume, slightly down, about halfway, so that you can hear me better. And we can also just even the noise out and then get rid of background noise, like my fan is going off right now, by just clicking these two things right here. But this is engineering right here. Basically I have this project and it's due by 12 o'clock tonight. It's 11:11. So I thought, a good idea is to take a tutorial of Camtasia, as well as describe, some of the struggles going on in the engineering building. This is what we do. We figure out ways to get things done with limited time. And, and one thing we really focus on is never giving up and never, calling it quits. We lose massive amount of sleep, and we miss meals sometimes just to get projects done. But it builds character and it makes us stronger at the end of the day, and it prepares us for the real world. Some neat things you can do is you can add transitions as well. I like dissolve, so I can bring dissolve. Before I do that, I would have to split the frame, because transition go in the beginning or they're between split frames and etc. So you split the frame, now we have two separate parts to the video. We can drag this forward like so, and then the video would be paused for a second before it gets to the part right here. So now we can put a transition. We can put a transition in here, and let's just try another one. We can take a transition, see the preview right there, and we can put it in here. Now let's fast forward for the transition and take a look and see what it looks like. So we have a dissolve and we have a flip, and that's something cool you can do. Not only can you do that, but you can also put call outs in there. Put little arrows in the middle of your video, just to point at something if you need to. Right now it's going to point at a trash can first, and it's pointing down the hallway to the right side there. And those are little cool things you can do to make your video look better. But there's so many different attributes to Camtasia. You got your cursor effects. Right now I can't do it because I'm recording the screen, but it's just basically saying select the cam rec recording on the timeline to enable the cursor effects. Then you have visual properties where you can mess with how your video is looking and etc. The opacity of it, basically seeing how transparent you can get it and etc. Things like that. You can add animations in the middle of your video, things of that matter, and just things like that. And another neat thing that you can do is you can zoom in, and you can zoom in on stuff. Let's pause it so we can see. You can zoom in on this bridge, for instance, and get a up close and personal look at it even more. Now everything's zoomed in and it's looking a lot more up close and personal. And this is what we do. We work hard in this building. We figure out software in this building. We work with software in this building. We do everything. It's just, this is how we are. This is what engineers do. We figure out ways how to get things done in a unique manner and efficiently. And as I go downstairs, I can fast forward to a part where we're in the lab. There's always somebody in the lab working hard, getting things done. So as I come back to the lab, we'll see somebody in there. And another great thing with Camtasia is, say I say something accidentally or it doesn't come out the way I want it to, I can stop it. I can right now, say I'm gonna mess up on purpose. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm kind of confused. And I can just edit that stuff out, cut it out of the video, and just do things of that matter. How I'm coming up here, if he didn't want to be in this video, I can just pause it, find when he got in the video, just fast forward to wherever he got in the video, and etc. And then I split it, and then I'll find wherever he was in the video up here, and wherever part I want to do it, I split it, and I can take out this whole part right here and cut it, and then just bring this back and fast forward and bring this clip back. And now it's like that whole part from when I first seen him to when I left off is disappeared, and then he's back there again. It's gone. But basically this is in a nutshell, many of the different things you can use Camtasia for.